Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Call of Duty with a stretched resolution. Many players find that using a stretched resolution can provide a competitive edge, as it makes enemy models appear wider and easier to hit. Additionally, some users report a slight boost in frame rates, which can be crucial in fast-paced gameplay. We'll cover everything you need to know, from configuring your graphics card to adjusting in-game settings, ensuring you get the most out of this setup. Let's dive in and get your game looking and feeling just right. The first crucial step is to configure your graphics card. You'll need to open your graphics card's control panel, which will be NVIDIA Control Panel, AMD Radeon software, or Intel Graphics Command Center, depending on your hardware. Within these settings, you'll create a custom resolution, typically with an aspect ratio like 4:3 or 5:4, which will give you that stretched look. Remember to set your display scaling to full screen or aspect ratio, and enable GPU scaling to ensure the image fills your monitor correctly. This foundational step is key to achieving the desired effect. Once your graphics card is configured, it's time to jump into Call of Duty. Head over to the in-game graphics settings. You should now see your custom stretched resolution available in the display options. Select it. It's also important to adjust your field of view, or FOV, as the stretched resolution can make things feel a bit different. Experiment with various FOV settings to find what feels most comfortable and effective for your playstyle. Don't be afraid to try a few different custom resolutions to discover what truly enhances your gameplay experience. With everything set up, you can now enjoy the potential benefits of playing Call of Duty with a stretched resolution. You might notice that enemy targets appear wider, making them seemingly easier to track and hit. However, be prepared for the user interface and menus to look a bit distorted due to the stretching. Adaptation is key. Practice regularly to get accustomed to the new visual style. While it takes some getting used to, many players find that this setup ultimately improves their performance and overall enjoyment of the game. Good luck out there.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.